Hello, this is Miguel with a quick video for you. What have I been saying over the past couple of videos is that you need to have the courage to share your superpower by being in front of the screen, right? There's something about authenticity, about sharing your emotion, your thoughts, reaching face to face your friends, your family, your audience, your clients, right? But let's say you are not ready for that, or maybe what you do doesn't really need to have your face in front of the camera. So today I just want to show you how you can actually use your phone as well in a way that frees your hands by using the phone, by using this magnetic attachment, right? So I'm gonna start recording with my phone so that I can show you what I'm using to attach it, right? So I have this device here which allows the quick release plate, which I'm going to attach right now. Of course, there we go. And as you can see, I have an arm that goes behind the desk, right here next to the light, and it gives me other options to attach other things right here, right? I use it for many things, for microphones, from different areas. All right, so now I'm gonna go and I'm gonna magnetize it. Now you can also see an interesting shadow casting right here. That's because I have an overhead light on, so I'm going to turn off the lights on top, and now all you see is the beautiful light from this umbrella light. So now switching to that other camera, let's say you like to review things. So let's say you buy products, you like to buy watches, you collect different things, you want to share that passion with the world. Look, I have other cameras as well that I'm using, and again I could use this quick release plate to attach that camera right there and record. This camera has its limitations for this type of work. We're working with your hands, but remember, I'm always going to remind you of this. Every tool has a range to work the best, right? Even the camera that I'm using here, which is a Canon R6 Mark II, has its own limitations in range, in light performance, in video capture, but it is great for most things, and I'm using it within the range that is designed for. So I'm always going to get to what to me is the best quality video, right? Or pictures. One of the videos that I want to share with you is I recently took a couple of family vacations and I recorded some video with this alongside with this and my drone as well. So hopefully I can show you some behind the scenes and show you those videos soon, so that you can see, hey, how these superpowers, these talents also help to create wonderful memories, not only for you, for your friends, for your family, but it also gives us ideas, right? You know, the last couple of trips I packed so much gear that that pretty much all my carry-on is the camera gear, because I want to record the memories with my family and the trips, right? Our memory often fails us, but hey, guess what? Let's say you went on a trip, you saw something cool, you want to showcase it, you want to review it. Now, if you don't want to show your face, you have a camera from the top where you can do it. Many reviewers, many things that you see online use this type of setup with a top view camera, right? As you know from previous videos, I'm using a little lapel microphone that I put right behind my shirt to record this, and I'm also recording the audio right now from the phone. So now here's to give you an idea. Let's say I wanted to talk about the camera, which I will at some point in the future with this review and tools that I use for this camera, right? Talk about the cage, how I use it. I'll talk about the magnetic scenario so I can swap really quickly. I'll talk about the filter and lenses to get great video. I'll talk about the flip screen, the best settings for this camera, right? Give you the parameters on how to use this type of cameras to create great content. Sometimes just this will help you create great videos that will tell your story, your talent, your superpower. So anyway, just a quick video to give you other tips and other ideas on how to share your gift with the world, your superpower, your talent. Okay? So let me know in the comments if there is anything else that you might want to know. Maybe you have questions. I know some of you have already requested by messaging me things on tips on what I do. Right? I'm going to also show you what I'm using in the camera here. Right? You can use a tripod to position your camera, but I tend to want to use other equipment to make it easy for me to adjust the camera without having to move the camera, adjust the tripod, or doing different things. Okay? So again, be encouraged, share your superpower, and I'll see you on the next video.